Welcome back, everybody. If you're new to the channel, my name is Todd and this is Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer, and tonight we're going to make a hurricane as requested from a channel subscriber that I also subscribe to, Cooking with Rexy. So check her out. I'll put a link down in the description here, and I put out a request for some of our fans to see what kind of drink we'd like to see us make next, and she had a few different requests, and she said hurricane, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So the hurricane was actually a invention of Pat O'Brien's down in New Orleans back in the 30s. Legend has it that Pat O'Brien's was a speakeasy back in the Prohibition days, and he used to serve sailors the less popular rum drinks with various juices, and he would use hurricane lights to serve them in, hence the popular hurricane style glass that you see now. And now it's a New Orleans tradition. If you go to New Orleans, you gotta stop by Pat O'Brien's and get a hurricane. Be sure to get the plastic cup, because you can walk around in the French Quarter and sip that thing as you're walking around. Okay, just showing you some of my ingredients here. We're going to use a little simple syrup, a little grenadine, a little bit of dark rum, light rum. You got to have passion fruit juice. In this case, I'm going to mix it up a little bit and use a little pineapple passion fruit. Of course, some lime juice garnished with orange, and of course, you got to have a cocktail shaker and the hurricane glass. Okay, the passion fruit syrup is sugar-free, so we're going to do probably about a half tablespoon of simple syrup. I'm not going to really measure this, but just maybe a teaspoon of grenadine. And I'm going to go with 2 ounces of the dark rum, two ounces of light rum, and I'm going to give this passion fruit juice a nice shake. I'm using the V8. You can use any kind of brand you want, it doesn't matter. Kind of doubling up this recipe, I'm going to use about 4 ounces of passion fruit. It's good for you. And then some fresh lime juice. And if you don't got enough limes, don't sweat it. You can get the roses with the lime juice. Just one full lime juice from 1 full lime is all you need. And put it up in a cocktail shaker. What I do, instead of crushed ice, I fill up a hurricane glass with ice. And pour over the ice. There we go. Garnish any way you want, but it's a nice tropical drink, tropical style drink, so what I like to garnish with is an orange. There we go. Okay, there you have it, the hurricane Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer style. Tastes like Mardi Gras, tastes like Pat O'Brien's. Anyway, happy Saturday night, cheers.